Hello, my friends. Welcome back. This is Simona Cochi, the Italian Way. Today we are in Bologna. This is a must-to-visit event. You have the chance to overview all these incredible exhibit until the 27th of October at BolognaFiere. The title is the name of this European premiere is Auto and Moto d'Epoca 2024, and you have the chance to delve inside the Italian way. Yeah, definitely. So this is a slideshow I realized thanks to the highlights, the pics they send me from the media and the press center of the fair. And I prepare for you a slideshow with a few highlights in order to recap the most important features. It's covering 235,000 meters square across 14 pavilions. It's a massive scale. It features over 5,000 vehicles on display, including vintage cars, modern classics, and in rare finds. Also, remember that there are a huge part with motorcycles as well. This is display of our heritage and also innovation, because it's a bridge between the automotive history and future trends, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts alike. So it's really interesting to celebrate also the Motor Valley. Emilia-Romagna is famous worldwide also to be the home of Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Ducati, and Pagani. And just to mention very few of the cars that are showcased in these shows, you can see Lamborghini Countach 5000, Quattrovalvole, Maserati A6 1500 and Pagani Zonda. On the other side, when you step out of the exhibit, you can go to Imola and Misano, where you can find the famous tracks that are attracting over 2 million fans annually. So you have other interesting experience to do, not so far from Bologna in the same times. So you have the possibility inside the exhibition to interact with the technology and the ancient cars with virtual road trips through Italy's scenic routes, and also there are immersive automotive history that combines real and virtual elements. The ACI is the Association of the Automobile here in Italy, has realized an experience stand that utilizes augmented reality to provide a new way of exploring classic cars and their history. And then we have the part that is tributed to the charity with a Lancia Delta Integrale supporting good causes through automotive heritage. This car that is on auction in these days was previously owned by Roberto Baggio, and now, of course, after a little restoration with a special giallo ginestra color, and they style this car in order to represent something that is really a unique piece of art. Then we have the session tributed to iconic cars from cinema, and this is to celebrate stars, the automotive stars of the big screens. And we've been, overwhelmed so much by film like La Dolce Vita, Il Sorpasso. So we have the Triumph TR3A and Lancia Aurelia B24. And so you really have the opportunity to experience all the classic cars that were showcased in these movies. And so It's a unique experience for all ages and is absolutely suggested and suitable for families, children, fan or not fan to the automotive field. And then it's interesting also to be inspired by these pieces of art that are related to our tradition in order to design a new version of cars. I think this is for the researchers splendid occasion. And then I want to show you the site in which you can find everything that is useful for your visit, and there are many sections, is developed in many languages, and I suggest you to dive inside the 4th recommended path, motorbikes path, spare parts, cars path, and the world of classic, then the news. So if you are really a passionate, you can really lose all your day just reviewing everything that you can then see personally during the show. Okay, come on, guys. You have just few days left until the 27th of October 2024. But anyhow, every year Bologna is more than happy to host such an incredible event. Okay, keep on staying tuned. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to the Italian Way and see you soon. Ciao belli, grazie.